All right, as tough as the EPP is, sometimes you do get some breaks, and sometimes the hinge lines will crack on you. You can glue it back with any kind of glue. Regular CA works, welder cement works great. I use Insta-Flex from BSI. It's BSI 119. It's a hinge glue meant for CA hinges. It works great on here. We'll just apply a little on the hinge line.
And can you move it this way?
Like that.
Yep.
And then use some kicker. It doesn't kick off quite as fast as regular CA, so you'll have to hold it a bit longer. About 15 to 20 seconds. And there you go, good as new.